Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm your host, Tony Coleman, and today I want to give you a quick rundown on the GG2U.org website. This is another Get Paid To website. Get Paid To's are basically websites and apps that pay you to do various tasks, whether it be doing surveys, watching videos, downloading other apps, playing games, so on and so forth. So when you first log into the account, or if you haven't made an account, please use my link here. If you use my link, that is a referral link, and that will give me a percentage of a bonus based on what you earn, but doesn't cost you anything. But anyway, when you go in there, I typically just run the videos. The videos, they have a couple options for. The majority of them want to run videos through the Hideout TV website. I have another video on that already, which you can take a look at. If you do decide to go through Hideout, don't click that link to do it. Follow my link, which I will also have a referral link in the comments down below, in the description of the video, I should say. But Hideout TV right now, I can also say, works best if you run it from the app within the Amazon Fire Sticks, because the ones from PC earning right now isn't earning as well. Just too many people have been hopping in with the COVID scare, and also advertisers have been pulling back a lot of their advertising as well. But anyway, from the PC, what I recommend doing, let's go down here to where you have the autoplay video for coins. This is one of the three options. This one should autoplay by itself, and the advantage to this is that you don't actually have to sit there the whole time clicking on various things, no captchas, nothing like that. However, the problem with it is they run out of videos pretty quick. I've been told they refresh it around midnight or 12:30ish, somewhere in there. But you can pretty much just leave this browser tab open and it should automatically kick back in as soon as it detects that it has more videos. If you click on another tab, it will pause any video in progress, so you won't necessarily be earning if you've done that. As you can see, it says click to start. And that's what you normally get during the day, because most people have already ran through all the ads available. But you can pretty much just leave this open on a PC. You can see I have it in a virtual machine right now, and I could just let it sit there, and every minute it'll check in for more videos. But going back to the primary site, you've also got the manual videos for coins. Basically, this is another pop-up ad opportunity. You may have to turn on or allow pop-ups for this one to work, but this one you actually have to interact with it. So to get the 2 coins per 10 minutes, that means you're actually interacting with the site. I can show you that real quick. To get started, this will probably fail. Yes, please allow pop-ups. So come over here, allow pop-ups, done. Sure, because they'll want to use that for advertising. Launch again, and now it is starting to pull up the first ad. You can see up here a progress bar. It'll give you a countdown. Now if I navigate away from this so that's not in the forefront, this will stop counting down, so you will not be earning by putting it underneath while you go off to do something else. Once this is done, it will not auto change to the next one. You have to actually vote whether you did not like it, if you were neither happy nor sad about the video, or like, dislike. And then of course, if you like the video, you'd have the happy face. After you click that, one of these dots will change colors, indicating your progress for getting up to 20 pages. If you decide that you don't have time to go through the full 20, but say you can only get through 5 of them, It does save your progress, so if you come back tomorrow, it should show that you're already 1/4 of the way through. So I'll let the other 33 seconds count down here, but this is a very slow earner. It's not something that I would highly encourage people to do unless they really have a lot of time to kill, but it is one of the methods for earning on this website. By far the most passive, easiest way to earn is the videos through Hideout TV. Now, you may say that's not a GG2U part, that's a Hideout TV thing. Well, Hideout TV gives you the option to get paid out through GG2U, so that's basically the purpose of it. So here it's gone down to 0. I'm not happy where it's at. I didn't listen to it, didn't care. I click that, and it will also keep your choices up here too, which doesn't really matter. And there you have it. So it will keep doing this until I basically just close out. And that's all there is to the video portion of it. If you want to see how it takes you to the Hideout TV, it's pretty straightforward. Hideout music, offer a new window, yeah, go to it. It'll take me over to hideout.co. I would have to log in with my account over there in order for it to work. Please pardon my internet, it's being a little slowish today. I do put my systems through pretty heavy usage, so it's not uncommon. While that's loading, I can show you some of the others. Most of these are surveys, special offers for like purchasing or whatever, gaming offers. I'll start with gaming. They'll tell you how much you get, the stipulations behind it, if there's any other additionals. Pretty straightforward. Special offers. Basically, they give you a kickback if you do any of these offers. Pretty straightforward, really. Surveys. They're like every other Get Paid To site. They've got a ton of different options for doing surveys. Some of them will credit you, some of them will disqualify you. I won't say that this is any better or worse than any of the others because they all kind of tap into the same pools. The earning rates, you can compare between the sites if you want. I myself don't do a lot of the survey stuff because I find it not be worth my time, but it may be worth yours. So, pretty straightforward. The other things that confuses a lot of people is if you go to withdraw your money, watching the videos, some people say, hey, I only show like 2 videos watched or what have you. Anything you run off of Hideout TV gets converted differently. It won't necessarily show as the videos do if you're watching the Fox ones, but when you convert them, every so many of them get converted into what's called a silver token, and then what you do is you spin the wheel with those tokens. So you click that link for spin the silver wheel. I don't have any at the moment, but when you do, it'll give you the option to use one, and that's where you're actually getting the money converted from those sites like Hideout TV. So as you can see, I've had 3 referrals in the last month. If you don't want to gamble to get up to $3, sometimes you only get like $1 for your silver token. You can just do a single payout on that specific coin to get $1.60. Some people like that. After you've done enough cash outs, I believe it's 5. I think it's after 5 payout requests, they'll give you a golden token, which gives you a bonus basically where you can get up to $7. But right now, as you can see, I have 95 video points. I need 200 to get a silver token. So kind of confusing that they do it that way instead of just doing a straight up point redeeming scenario, but that's their gimmick. I will say that in the Discord channel that the GG2U admin is in, he pays out several times a day. So unlike a lot of sites where you have to wait 24 hours to 48 hours, sometimes a week, sometimes a month, just to get a small payout, he's sending out PayPal transactions, Bitcoin transactions, and such several times a day. So I literally only had to wait maybe an hour to get my first payout. So that's how simple it is. If you got any questions, please leave them in the comments section. If you like my videos, please subscribe to them, because that's how content providers like myself earn on YouTube. And then if you also like the video, just click the like button and share it with your friends. So until next time, have a good one.